It's day 2, buckaroos. This is Captain Rich. Welcome to the Captain's World. We are going to open up another Lorcana pack. Rise of the Floodborn. See, this is why I pre-opened the last one. If you haven't seen that video, the link will be at the end of this video. Alright, Beast and Beast. Let's get these out. No, seriously, let's get this open. Okay, there we go. What did we get today? Alright, we have Piglet. These are our commons. Winnie the Pooh. Minnie Mouse. Hypnotize, that's Ka. The Knock, or Nook, I'm not sure. Hercules. Okay, uncommon. Last Stand. Binding Contract. Dun dun dun. And Surfing Minnie Mouse. Now, what else did we get? We got a rare Merlin. We got a rare Minnie Mouse. That's kind of like the image for the swimming card. And the special card for today, take a peek, is an uncommon foil Tigger bounce card. And we got the top left corner of Minnie Mouse. So there's the set for today. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow, and if you missed it, tune in to yesterday. We can do that. It's YouTube. Have a blessed day. Check this out. Hey, if you're interested in subscribing to the channel, click on that button right there. That'll take you to my channel. You can subscribe right there. And while you're at it, once you're done, you can click on this button right here. Show you another one of my interesting videos.